What did you buy?
Just sneaking up on me.
Sneak up on the camera?
What did you? Oh, what's that? Why'd that fall out?
I don't know.
Put something?
Huh.
Really?
Looks like it's a remote start.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's somebody else.
Fucked up one?
I'll wire it in, you don't have the fob to use it, so I'm assuming it was zip tied up here and it fell down.
All of a sudden I felt a weight on my foot and I was like, what the fuck is that? And then I moved it and that thing popped up.
We can zip tie it back up.
So I bought a Subaru Impreza. It's a 2011.
That's
I just went at 100 miles an hour. Don't tell Kirsten.
This is on video. She's gonna see this.
She's gonna see this. Shh, you didn't see that.
This is Brett's new daily.
Oh, yeah. She's got a few scratches on her that I saw after really looking at it, but she's purty. I like her. Somebody's telling me I should soup it up and make it a rally car.
I mean, why would you not daily a rally car?
Right? Fuck, that'd be fun. If I got another hatchback, that's probably like the best thing.
Hatch.
I love my hatchbacks. Oh, I forgot my phone there.
Pop the hood.
She's purty, she's got a black interior.
Hood struts at work. So she's the 2.5 liter boxer, 4-cylinder.
Okay.
Pretty great.
How do you know?
I just know.
I know. You
It's
suck.
pretty much the
Is this like the standard stock one?
pretty much standard stock motor.
Okay.
Watch, I'll probably be wrong. She's probably like a 2 liter. We are, yep, 2.5. Conforms to regulations. It's 2010, sir.
Oh, they said it was a 2011.
Yeah.
So she's a year older than what we're saying. So I was right when I was telling people it was a 2010.
I was pretty sure it was a 2010 the whole time. I don't know.
I swore somebody said it was a 2011.
Dun dun dun.
Whatever. She looks a lot different from what I'm used to looking at.
Yeah.
So we might need to do the belt sooner than later.
Squealing.
No, they're not squealing. They're making a noise I've never heard before.